We have so many friends and family that are like, oh, you guys should have a baby. You should have a baby. So it was like, you know what, we can definitely do it. What's one more?
See a little bit of the legs there.
Yeah.
I went in for my 20-week ultrasound and she said his heart doesn't look normal, so we're gonna send you to a specialist.
We found out that he had a congenital heart defect. We were heartbroken. It was
a lot. I was a pretty big disaster.
Maddox was born with a rare heart lesion that is called Tetralogy of Fallot with pulmonary atresia. He had his first procedure, which is the PDA stenting, at 1 week. And then he had his full surgical repair at 2 months of age.
I didn't think a baby could be hooked up to so many machines.
A lot of emotion. I don't think we had any tears left.
We felt so supported and loved through all of it. The nurses would be like, go home and get rest. You guys call us every hour if you need to.
They made Maddox feel like he was like something special.
Well, these babies and kids are more than just patients to them. You know, we never walked in there at any point feeling like we were like just the next one.
Come here. Who's got you?
It's really gratifying when the baby is healthy after surgery. Everyone is happy. That's actually the ultimate goal of our job here. Our outcomes have been the best in the country. That includes the very short hospital length of stay and the percentage of post-operative complications, which is the lowest among all centers. And there's no need for patients and families to travel out of state to receive that high level of care.
I couldn't imagine having to stay in Boston away from our other kids because they need us too.
Hey.
Maine's home and this is where life is.
Hey, you doggy.
And you would not know he had anything done to him if you didn't see the scar. The selfish side of us wants to put him in a bubble, but I think he's destined for great things. And like I said, we're biased because we're his parents, but he's so happy and he's so relaxed and he's perfect.